Ciao a tutti. This is Nonna's Italian Kitchen with Grazie. Today we're going to make Nonna's Italian meatloaf, and this is my mother's recipe. And we've been making this for years, ever since my childhood. Andiamo a cucina. Let's get to the kitchen. So let's get started. Let's gather our ingredients. The quantities are listed in the description: ground beef and ground pork. Then you're also going to need eggs. Again, this is a large batch, so look at the description for the smaller quantities. Then you're going to need chopped onions. You'll also need diced garlic, chopped green peppers, freshly grated Parmigiano cheese, and get the good stuff. V8 tomato juice. And if you can't find V8, just regular tomato juice. Chopped celery. Italian breadcrumbs. Now start by mixing your beef and pork together. Then add your eggs to the meat mixture and mix them in really well. Now add your tomato juice. It looks like a lot, but it will blend in. All of it will blend in nicely. So just take your time and mix it in. Hey, how are you doing today? Where are you from? Leave a comment below and I'll comment back to you. Now look, all of the juice gets blended into the meat mixture. Now add your chopped onions and then blend them in thoroughly. You can use a big spoon if you like, but it's easier if you use your clean hands. It's looking good, isn't it? And now add your chopped celery, and once again, mix it in really well, using either a big spoon or using clean hands. There you go. Looks great, doesn't it? Now add your chopped green peppers and either with a big spoon or your hands, mix it in. Now add the chopped parsley and mix it in with clean hands again. Add your freshly grated Parmigiano cheese and again, mix it well. Now add in your Italian breadcrumbs. And once again, with your hands, clean hands, mix it well. Now you want to place the meatloaf mixture in your baking pans and bake for 1 hour. 1 small meatloaf will serve 2 people. Buon appetito! Enjoy! Hey, thanks for watching Nonna's Italian Kitchen with Grazie. Hey, I hope you hit the like button and please subscribe. I'd love to have you follow. Ciao, ciao.